Hey, can you do this with your nose? You're serious?
What's up, kitties? Your favorite creative podcast!
Oh my god, I literally spit. Sorry.
I'm so excited, that's why.
So right now we're at Taiso parking lot because we're gonna buy some like little bags and letters and stuff.
Cute stuff.
Little more goodies to put inside the gift that we're gonna give to our cutie. And tomorrow is our date. Of going to Manila. Yeah. Like just imagining doing meet and greet gives me like butterfly and I need to go and shit. Yeah. Oh, we also need to get some candies. Yeah. Right? Yeah.
It's gonna be fun! Yeah! So we're super excited about today's vlog with you guys! So, let's hurry go! Oh my god, there's a car here! We can't see.
Oh, really?
Because our window is shielded.
Okay. Ooh, this place is so huge. Oh, this is cute. That's like a little pig. So little. Oh, maybe like a leftover candies. We can put it there. Oh, yeah, that would be cute. That's really cute. Yeah. Was it 33 lipstick that we had? 33. We'll do it on like these kind of stuff. Yeah, that's cute. That's really pretty. These are cute. How many are there? I think we need more. What? Artistic. Oh, yeah, there's only 6. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So rich.
We also got something special for 3 of our cuties who helped us organizing and getting the venue for the meet and greet. So maybe we can get like, okay, we got this one. This is so cool. Maybe we'll just bring this to Manila.
Oh, it says Mercy Boku.
We won't prepare it since if we put it in the bag, it's gonna get all scrunched. So we'll do it at the Manila hotel. All of those gifts, we're gonna put these little, what do you call this? Like a letter note that you can write it behind. Saying thank you to our cuties for showing up on our meet and greet. There's 15 inside, so 30 of these. I'll put 3. Okay.
Yeah.
This one inside, you're gonna put these. What do you call this? Stuffing paper. Yeah. Because I don't want them to like move and stuff. Yeah. Okay. We also gonna look for the letter cards for the 3 cuties who helped us set up the meet and greet. So we found this one. That one's cute. It's 6, right? Oh, this one. That one's gold. Cute too. No, this is more like orangey, and this is gold. This got rose gold. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Oh, so well, that was easy. So we've been here like what 5 minutes, and we're done. Yeah.
Woohoo! Everything's ready.
Yum. We're here to get some candy. Oh yeah, these are cute.
Candy. I like the color.
Ooh. Rainbow pop. Oh, these are cute. That one looks nice. Yeah, everything's so easy.
Yes! We're back.
So before we pack, we wanna unbox some of the gifts that our cutie sent it to us.
Yes.
And this one is from Indonesia. And this cutie, she actually has a brand called Day and Night. It's called Day and Night. Oh, there's a letter. Okay, yeah, this is from Cutie from Indonesia, and they actually found out about us after we had a meet and greet in Jakarta. Yeah, so she couldn't come to our. Obviously, she didn't know by that time, right? We just initially fall in love with your channel. Your quirky and funny personality really hit us. You became our idol. Yeah. Their brand called Day and Night was established 6 years ago, taking monotone colors to a new level. Quote, "We don't create trend, we create our own style." That's what their creative director motto I'm excited to open this now. And this collection is part of their 6th anniversary collection. And the part of their sales will be donated to Yayasan Onkologi Anak Indonesia. It's an Indonesian Oncology Children Foundation where they help children whom in needs for cancer treatment. Wow. That's a very meaningful. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Day and Night. I think it's a 2-piece. It's a 2-piece. Oh my god. Ooh. So it's like a sleeveless top. Wow, with a matching. Oh, it's a pants. Oh, it's a pants. Well, but that's a really wide pants. Yeah. So it's a really huge box pleat. You can tie it like this. And like this top, the material in the front and the back is different. It has a little like, I don't know, what do you call this kind of? Yeah, it's a very, interesting texture. Yeah, this looks like a skirt from the far away, right? Yeah, but it's actually a really wide palazzo pants. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I just realized this top also has this string. This is an interesting design. That one's so exciting. Ooh, okay, maybe this is for like a winter and fall. It's like a off-the-shoulder knit.
This is so
top and with the matching pants. So chic. Ooh, I like this pants. This is also the same material as the black one.
It has some kind of texture.
Oh, and it has a lining too. This is definitely for colder season.
Yeah, fall. I think these are perfect for like event.
Yeah, like this.
And then like this.
Yeah. Ooh.
Thank you so much, Day and Night. So if you cuties are interested on their collection, and make sure to check out their Instagram. It's very aesthetic. It's very simple, but very unique. So the last gift we want to unbox is actually from Jamie Wonders again.
Yeah.
They sent another set of bag for us.
We actually personally chose which one we want to receive. So, oh yeah, there's one PVC bag, right?
Oh yeah.
Wonder.
Ooh. Oh.
I think this is the PVC bag.
Oh.
The plastic bag.
Wow. It feels like this. Wow, it feels like a rubber.
Look.
Oh.
Nothing to hide.
And then you put your stuff inside here and put it
But
in.
I think it would be more prettier if you put like a colorful pouch rather than those clear ones.
Wow,
This is so
you can
pretty.
see.
Yeah, I love this one.
Wow. So light.
They're very light and very soft.
I think these type of bag are good for rainy season.
Oh yeah, like Manila, right?
And this one.
Oh, we did navy color?
Yeah,
Okay.
we did. Oh my god! That is such a pretty little dainty bag. So you can hold it like this, or look at that, cute. That. So I think you hold it more like this.
Oh. Yeah. No, there's another. Look. You can do it longer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because we usually do it like sideways,
Yeah.
crisscross.
Like
Okay, now
this.
that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so pretty. They actually have in like a very bright red color and
White.
green. They have white too and hunter green.
Yeah, pretty sure.
We'll put all the links to these bags in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Thank you so much, Jamie Wonder. This is so pretty.
Oh,
Finally, my first PVC bag.
Oh, look at the compartment. It's quite big.
Can I see?
I can put like my Dixie and phone inside.
Okay.
Oh, and there's another compartment here where I can put my cards and stuff.
Thank you so much, Jamie Wonder. So cute. So now let's start packing the gifts.
Yes. I'll go and bring the actual gift. While waiting for Kyujin, I'll play some song for you guys.
Oh my god. I feel so rich. So we try to pick a lot of like pink and red because a lot of cuties requested those kind of colors. Yeah, all of them is something that I'll wear. There's a lot of different brands. There's like Perry Paraban, Bruna, Clio, Maybelline. This is a new brand, Cologram. Yeah, but the packaging was so cute. Oh, this is one of my favorite brand, True. Their stuff is really good. Yeah. Aritao. Yeah, one of my favorite brand too. So we got a total of 33. So the first 33 cuties who are in line will be able to receive this gift. And they even have like stickers.
Oh my god, look at
So
this.
cute, right? And those are for sealing the bag. So cute. So we'll put it like that inside there, and then maybe put some candy. Yes. Oh, they feel so good. So fruity. Like that. Ta-da! But we're not done. We're gonna put one sticker. Love. Like this. Okay, me too. Thumbnail. Okay.
Pretend I'm a kitty.
Oh, okay.
Hi,
I just. Okay. Why not? I was a little confused.
Hi, good. Can I get a kiss? Okay. Bye.
So far, we did this much. So we use all the small candies, so now we'll use the big candy. Oh, so pretty! Look at that. Oh, they have butterfly shape too. Snowman. Fish. Ooh! Oh, there's only one of this.
Leaves.
A
So back to work.
So cuties, especially cuties in Manila, I have a quick question. Recently, Mama QQ has been drinking this noni juice for a while, and she got us into drinking this too. We always drink like this much every morning. It doesn't taste that good, but then apparently they say there's a lot of health benefit from drinking this, like diabetes, high blood pressure, and some bacterial infections and tumor and stuff. Her friend says we can get this noni from Philippines. So right now, Mama QQ is trying to research like where she can get this in Manila. So, but obviously we won't be bringing like the juice one because it's too heavy. So maybe like a noni powder or dry noni. Dry noni, I don't know if they even that thing kind of exists. But if you cuties in Manila knows where we can get dry nonis or dry powder in Manila, please let us know in the comment section below. Mama QQ is like dying to find this.
Yeah,
so
she love this thing.
we really highly appreciate it.
Yeah. Back to our theme. This is my last one. This was our last one. So we're done.
Really?
Yes.
Well, that was fast.
Ta-da, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-da.
Sister! Yeah, there's no reason for us to buy this because we
this is
don't
so
have
cute
any more.
though.
So that was so close. We have only one left. Yeah. Whoa.
So now we're gonna write some notes, and we're using these pens from our cuties. Remember? There's a Q here. This one says thank you, and this one says love you. Shit, what you want to write, sister? About my life.
Hey, I'll sing you a song so I write it.
Okay. I can't concentrate. Okay.
Hey, can you do this with your nose? You're serious? You need to watch this, sister.
Hurry, Ryan, we don't have time. My hand. My hand hurts.
So we just wrote
33 letters.
this many of cards. So we'll just like tie it right over here.
Ta-da! That's pretty. Ha! I did it. Dun, dun, da, da, dun, dun, dun.
Look at the lips, guys.
We're all set, guys.
Yup.
Oh my god, so
Now
excited to
we
see
just need to
cuties.
get our butt in the plane.
Yes.
Wait for meet and greet day to come.
Yes, I'm so excited. Oh.
So once again, cuties, our meet and greet is on this Saturday at Hole in the Wall at the Century City Mall in Makati. A lot of cuties say you're not supposed to say Makati. It's the wrong way to pronounce it. I don't know. How is it? Makati?
I don't know.
Yeah, between 2 to 5 p.m. And the first 33 cuties that shows up will be able to receive these little gifts from us. So excited to give you cuties this. Oh, and also, like I said before, if you guys know where we can get the noni powder or
The dried noni.
dry noni, anything that relates to noni, Mama Cookie really wants it. So please let us know where we can get it from Manila. That will be really helpful to us. Somewhere near Conrail will be very, very amazing. Somewhere not far. So
That's so cute. See you soon. Ah!